Hey, this is Kimberly with R&R Sales, home of the guaranteed credit approval, with 2 locations to serve you. Come on in, take a look at the 2014 Ford F250 Super Duty 4x4. Certified pre-owned vehicle that has gone through a 115-point safety inspection and comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. 6.7-liter Powerstroke Diesel, automatic, power windows, power locks, AM/FM stereo with Microsoft Sync, CD player, USB port, auxiliary port, Bluetooth, steering wheel mounted cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. This is a 4-wheel drive. This will seat 6. Has the Bedliner. R&R Sales Incorporated is a member of Credit Union Direct Lending and can offer low interest rates and reasonable payments to well-qualified buyers. We also have guaranteed credit approval for any credit situation. So if we can't get you guaranteed credit approval, we'll buy you a steak or a vegetarian dinner. So come on down and let us put you into a newer used vehicle. R&R Sales Incorporated has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, so buy with confidence. See this vehicle and hundreds more at www.yeswecanauto.com or call toll-free 877-857-CARS to speak with one of our low-pressure sales staff. Se habla español.